Hey, y'all, it's me and I'm back. Duh. So for some reason, I thought that I was recording, and clearly I wasn't. I'm over here blabbing, talking about what happened. Basically, I had got a watermelon. I froze it, came back. It wasn't really as sweet as I thought it was gonna be. So what I did was like, okay, let me put it in a blender. And when I put it in the blender, it was really really sweet. So I'm like, ooh, instead of drinking this as hydrated type of water or juice, I can make it into popsicles. So this is the first step that I did. So I got these watermelons. I'm just now taking it out of the freezer to let it thaw out, and then I'm gonna show y'all the process of me making like homemade watermelon popsicles. Yes. Hey, I was screaming and I'm back. Duh. So basically, what the plan is to make some fruit popsicles, some natural fresh fruit type of popsicles, right? So I got this looks disgusting, but this is the watermelon that I had unthawed. So I am going to take them from here, put them in the juicer. I mean in the blender cup, and then go from there. So I am gonna just like strain it out, strain the juice, just make sure I have more of the fruit in there. I also had put the somebody told me that, well, they didn't tell me specifically, but they said that you can eat the watermelon seeds. I don't know about y'all, but when I was younger, Chucky had ate that watermelon seed and a watermelon grew in his stomach, and I wasn't very fond of that. So, get somebody else to do it. So this is the juice. I tried to strain as much as possible out. It's a little bit watered down, but that's fine because once you blend it, it's going to be super sweet, and I love that for me. You feel me? So here we go. And that's how it is. That's how it looks. Like I said, I still mix the watermelon, the seeds in there and all that good stuff. So what I do is just got me a strainer and then just pour it over the strainer like that. And then it's gonna get whatever extra pulp and stuff it is in there. And I just take a spoon and then just rub it across the strainer to get all of the juice out. Like so, like that. And this is my first time doing this. Well, second time now recording it, but I never thought about doing this. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna start doing more of this. And then especially if it's too hot outside and stuff too. And watermelon is a great hydration type of fruit that you can use. Yeah. So that's how that looks. That's the juice. Look how much pulp is still left in there. So I'm gonna rinse this out, pour that out, and then I'm gonna finish doing the rest of it. All right, so now that I have that, I am going to get the molds that I have and then mix it. So what I did was I got me some molds from Amazon, and yeah. So next I have I just wanted something like a base type thing. So I'm just gonna use this muffin pan tin thing. And then I'm gonna place this. So this is how the popsicle mold looks. Isn't that cute? Okay. And then I'm just gonna put it here. And then I'm gonna get my freshly squeezed watermelon juice. Mix that and all that good stuff. I should have put it on camera. Gotta let the people see that, child. Okay. That. And then I am to do this. And then it comes with this here also. So let me see if I can pull this up some more so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm still trying to get used to this tripod that I got as well. Okay. Y'all can see that. Okay. I'm official. Anyways, so I am going to use this here and pour it in until it fills up to like there. I'm gonna switch and swap to the other one, to there. That in it. Big purr. Okay. That's some fancy stuff, yeah. Whew. And it only comes with 6 of them. That's fine. I know it's gonna be good. I don't know how long it's gonna take to freeze, but that's something we're gonna figure out together, honey. Okay. So this is how the mold looks here. Try to straighten it out. And then it comes with these little sticks here. So that's one thing that I didn't kind of like, because what if I want to make these for people? Like, I wouldn't do the reusable things. They had some of them that came with like the popsicle sticks, so I can easily buy some popsicle sticks and just mix them and all that good stuff. But it came with the reusable ones, which is just me. So just put that in there. Like that. They gave me an extra one too, just in case. Of course, one of them cracks or you lose one or something like that. But that. And now that I'm getting older too, I'm just like, gee, I really can't be indulging in all of the stuff that I used to indulge in. I'm really getting up there in age, and like my body is not taking a lot of stuff that it used to be able to take. And I don't want to be put on no dang on pills or nothing like that. I want to do stuff naturally. So I'm still trying to ease my way into that also, okay? So don't come for me unless I send for you. Okay. And then we're going to put these in the freezer. Anyways. All right. They're out. I put them in like about 2 hours ago. So yeah, it didn't take that long. So we're going to take one out and squeeze from the bottom. Oh, I shouldn't have did that because it's not done. I'm being thirsty. Let's see. Ooh, my mouth watering. I took it. Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. Getting too excited. Okay. These five. Mm-hmm. I'm the only one that's eating these, but oh, yeah. I really might. It's a good idea. And having them, I shouldn't have been thirsty. I should let them sit, but it's definitely giving popsicle texture, all that stuff. So it would be perfect being outside in the sun. And I like to eat popsicles and like come at the roof of my mouth and break them down. Yep, I was disgusting. But it was good. Definitely good. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I'm just being thirsty right now. It was more healthier. Because one thing about me, I eat a whole bag of regular popsicles, child, knowing that I don't need them. I'm gonna put the rest of them back in there, but definitely a hit.